All right, it is excursion day.
That's right.
We are
We
here
just
in Sitka.
off the boat.
Just got off the boat. It's actually beautiful weather. This is absolutely gorgeous.
Nice.
So.
It's sunny. No rain in the forecast.
That's right. So we're going today. We're seeing
We have our sea otter.
and wildlife quest. So come along with us as we see some beautiful nature here in wonderful Sitka.
Guys, we just saw a bald eagle and some otters, and we are headed to a new spot to see some more wildlife here in Sitka, Alaska. Alaska! Woo!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is day 3 wrap up of Sitka. What an amazing day. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, we had the best weather ever possible. So it was 60 degrees, sunny, which they said is rare,
right?
Not overcast or rainy at all. So we had
We brought the sun.
amazing weather. Best day.
Absolutely gorgeous. We got a chance to see some whales.
We did.
At the very end.
Yes, we went on a boat tour.
Okay.
3 hours. It was a little bit long.
Yeah, so it's definitely, if you've never been on a boat, 3 hours is a long time. I mean, obviously we have the cruise ship. This is smaller, like tugboat. And so going out for about an hour was okay. And then by the second hour, you're doing this on the water. It kind of wears on you. You're kind of sleepy. So just be prepared for that.
Right. The first part, we stayed pretty near the coast.
Yeah.
So we saw bald eagle.
We did see a bald eagle.
We saw some otters.
See otters?
See otters was fun. And then we did head out to deeper waters to try to find the whales.
Yeah.
So that took a little while. And the
At least,
motion
30 minutes to get
for
out
me
there?
was like making me sleepy.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
And then we finally found some more animals, which kind of woke us all back up. And then we saw some great stuff as well.
Yeah, got a chance to see some sea lions on the little
the
green
little buoy marker thingy. Yep. And then we saw some humpback whales and the mama and the calf. We saw them a few times, saw their tails come out of the water. So that was awesome. What I really wanted to see. So
yeah, I think we all wanted to see that. So, I mean, obviously, was it worth it? Yes. But just be aware that if you do go on a boat tour, it's a long trip, and then we'll have this going on.
Some motion
in the ocean.
That's right.
So yeah, just the topography, the greenery, the serenity, the peacefulness is just absolutely what a way to kick off our experience.
Yeah, the landscape is breathtaking.
Right.
And then we also got into port.
Yep.
Did a little shopping.
Okay.
He got some good food for him.
I did. I didn't get video of it, but I got a photo of the Dungeness crab.
Okay.
Amazing. And I had this like Shirley Temple, I guess Sprite's calling my name. So I'm bigger thirst.
Okay. You really enjoyed that.
Deliciousness with Sprite, lime, cherry, and mint. Fed my soul. As it did, it spoke to me and said, come get me again. But that was good. So I enjoyed it. They don't eat seafood.
Yes.
So I enjoyed a meal by myself.
I took the kiddos and we walked around some of the shops. And of course, they wanted to buy all the stuffed animals. But we went through a few of the shops and found a couple items to bring back home. So that was awesome and fun. And we had an awesome time in Sitka.
So it's about to sail away. So make sure you subscribe and like so you don't miss any more of our videos as we continue our trip in Alaska. Give us a try. We'll promise to bring you some good content and travel with the Turners. So we'll see you in the next video.